The effective prayer life, not just a prayer life, but the effective prayer life comes from the individual who knows what God already approved. When you know what God already approved, your prayers should be governed in that direction. When we pray, you want to make sure you hit your target every time you pray. Every time you fast and believe God, you want to hit the target. The only way you're going to know how to hit the target, you want to know, or you want to remember, what did God approve already?